Nashon, wach ma David Ocholo oro kanyo. Owacho ni sirkal nyalo bedo deal gi a beta generation. To beta generation ni kata wala ma itimo to ma Monica timo to bende ma itayo ka kod Tobias Salando. Gen Z be nie kembegi. Kendo gimbe gitiyo ka en pek margi makalore kod osuru, gin gima gimbe gikadhe resruok margi. En lwasi mag tich, thuolo mag tije. Singo ma sirkal chiwo kotena kod tije, tok chop kare emogolo jendegi oko ma be miwacho mondo mi olosi.
Kama Cleophas wacha gi sirkal ka sirkal nyalo in a way influence mondo at least the youth tije. Any sirkal they have a very big role they can play. One, they can make the environment to be conducive to them. Inyalo maybe we could have hapa nikinyalo para manifesto mara Azimio kana giwuoyo something to do with the tax holiday, which was running up to close to 7 years. Ka ine ngati mo lakini kwa tax. Man is so encouraging. Gola things like Onge sepe muchulo mondo at least register wala can be a very good way mondo at least ngato timo ochako join wala meno timo ber. Lastly nyalo watch even in terms of kita just the country is very peaceful. Like sani we should not have things like mandamano gini things like nikoro there's a big shortage in the city makoro mawe it makes it hard mondo ngato timo wala ke security to be on the top notch. But ka wuoyo ka I reflect back in the Cleophas inya paro kane we had Admiro, I mean, Madamana last year. It was about June 1. In fact, we are approaching June 25th. But before that one, they had a bit of a walk on the street. And remember on the record, if you could even play it, I was saying it here on a national television. That time, no longer Serikal. We can't, we are not in the government. But I remember I was saying, there's now one who can stop it. Nikida wuogi serikal ida wuogi obila ni koro fight our rights are you at the end of the day you train you are someone who is dead kajino kata gima de bel sani even last time no kuna ji and this time no kata mana suno ji kinga masugo klepa kinga joma aron match on keyboard to then ki reflect joma on the ground ma yene matimo nganyo gi o gi reflect you know ma be ngama so for ma more smart man learn a very good English to kanyo mwalo on the street kaya tanoga mangi mana joma maybe kwanya from nowhere koro maybe one gi joma inside one to joma are on the keyboard ma are well protected gini ko poni to nya wadi ngajo ka mon wadi ta gini ko gisu no gini simbe ko dog simbe gi uda we ko re mwalo ku
picture to gido ke
ba gido yi mu gini ka very old photo yo nya ni this thing was very peaceful was very good kare yet all it is them Mago da lakini ito ko iduri gene e kama tiere match kujo mon mi wanga ye kujo lakini to bangi ko ngema ne pod mbele Cleophas an pod re atemo konoji there's no any single day ma serikala bo timo ni ngato gigi the only way ngo ngato ojitokeze no won if I don't say ngato nisani ani koro we have to create a job opportunities mono mejio nini odonje it is us gimor chakore ngato koro things like ini koro you thuolo me yodo no koro pida u kipo mbele I'm even shocked Cleophas ni sani nyaka sani I can see 1 2 3 luos who are dying on pida gare tukajirudu ango ya udio ndara mango ndio wale serikali koro hapa ni things like ni koro dabe ni kipo mbele ni koro dwani mono kwa wani ruto one time to ni koro watni one time ruto one time ni koro ifa jo kumachal kama Cleophas ma enda ni iyo koro wa beda gima ngaro timo no ifa wodi wat manganyo koro be ni ngani utiere opposition na ma iti serikali please ngimen gima duong mako pon na dawe no ngima ni na very that stupid way ni koro I fight for the right magaji ne jo mana to last year the sanis koro jo makoto ipa and look at ask yourself even the first part of manobedo nailed during this demonstration like Masai koro wa manya ate nyaka sani tipane wabro dinare mo chopo ji sani koro mo close to 100 it will never happen ka serikal moro biro it is a new policy mabiro new government new structures maricha dilal kamano kupone hivi to ngimani in fact no one will even follow up ninting amor ni ngale Nashon Odongo idai koro wacha ko buche wangena and all about ngato beda gimani timo no please be productive. Kuponi maybe pudo can be good. Just do farming. Kuponi maybe walo yei please. Regard get him to wala 1 2 3 lakini. Why money that woni ko ida fight no one can do it. Ko hapa ni gimanya loko no Cleophas Kenya is not that conducive mo ngara temo lakini ngara ya timo that small team cha kono the grab kanyo. Kiku yuko ni ko digiri